In the heart of Florida, there is a bee so rare it was once feared extinct. This is the blue calamintha bee, a living jewel of the insect world. It doesn't build hives. It lives alone, nesting in the cracks of sand and the walls of our cities. One of nature's rarest pollinators, hiding in plain sight. The blue calamintha bee, Osmia calaminthae, is a rare species of mason bee known only from 2 small areas in Florida. It has only been observed at 11 sites, primarily in a small area of sandy Florida scrub in Highlands County. The female is dark blue with some brown. The male has a pale blue head and dark blue body. These bees are tiny, only about 10 to 11 millimeters long. Until 2020, the blue calamintha bee hadn't been seen since 2016. It was feared extinct. Then, on March 9, 2020, researchers spotted a shiny little blue bee on a flower. The bee relies on a single plant, Asch's calamint, Calamintha aschei, a rare mint that grows only in Florida's scrub. The bee has unusual facial hairs used to collect pollen, a behavior unique to the blue calamintha. The Florida scrub is one of the most endangered ecosystems in North America. The bee is only found in a 20-kilometer-long area of the Lake Wales Ridge in Florida. The blue calamintha bee is considered critically imperiled by NatureServe. Despite its tiny size and limited range, the blue calamintha bee is a vital pollinator, and a symbol of nature's fragility. Blue bees are solitary. They don't build hives. Instead, females search for cavities in sand, wood, and concrete. In the wild, they nest in soft sandstone. In cities, they use the soft mortar of old brick buildings. In towns and cities, blue bees may nest enthusiastically in mud brick walls. Using mortar or mud bricks with a high concrete content usually discourages them. To help these rare bees, designers have created bee bricks, concrete blocks with cavities for solitary bees. Bee bricks are designed to be built into walls, providing nest sites for solitary bees in urban areas. Concrete nest boxes have been shown to support successful larval development and the emergence of viable offspring. Blue bees are adapting to life in our cities, a reminder that nature can thrive even in the most unlikely places. The blue calamintha bee is one of the few bees that uses its head to collect pollen. The females have short, erect, simple facial hairs, unique among North American mason bees. The bee's metallic blue color is caused by light reflecting off its exoskeleton, a form of structural coloration. Unlike honeybees, the blue calamintha bee is solitary. It doesn't have a queen or a hive. Solitary bees are not aggressive, they don't have a hive or queen to protect, so they rarely sting. The female builds a nest, lays a single egg, provides food, and seals the cavity. The young bee will emerge the following spring. The bee depends almost entirely on Asch's calamint flowers, a rare plant that only grows in Florida's scrub. The blue calamintha bee is a treasure of the natural world, a reminder of the incredible diversity of life on Earth. The blue calamintha bee is critically imperiled. Its biggest threats are habitat loss and the decline of its host plant. The Florida scrub is being destroyed for agriculture, housing, and development. Conservationists are working to protect the Florida scrub and the rare plants that the bee depends on. Will the blue calamintha bee survive? With continued conservation, there is hope, but its future is uncertain. The blue calamintha bee is a reminder that nature is full of wonders, and the most beautiful creatures are often the most fragile. The next time you see a crack in a wall, remember, something incredible might be living inside. Subscribe to Under the Leaves for more nature's darkest secrets. What incredible animal should we uncover next? Let us know in the comments.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.